Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that can help you when you are preparing for your wedding. But of course, if you're not preparing for your wedding, or you want to go out to to a particular place and you need your skin to pop, you just have few days to glow your skin. Yeah, this remedy is gonna be as fast as that to give you that glow, to make your skin look even. Okay, so if you want to know all of the ingredients, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now let me take you right into the video. Okay guys, for you to have that beautiful bridal look, you're gonna be needing to use aloe vera. Okay, so you have to use your 100% aloe vera that is pure and also is a great remedy for your dry and irritated skin. So it will end up making you look really young, and it will also give you that complexion, that's popping complexion. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is that I am going to be taking in some aloe vera gel. I'm going to be taking about 2 tablespoons of this. Okay, alright, that is perfect. Okay, alright guys, so the next ingredient which would help your skin pop up is tomato. Now because tomato contains a lightening property, it helps so much to firm up your skin, and it tone up all of those dark spots, and it also helps to remove pigment. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be cutting the tomato into cubes. You can either choose to blend your tomato or you grate it. Yeah, so I'm gonna be blending my tomato. Have to blend it into paste form. It has to be really smooth. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to be taking about 2 tablespoons of that into this. Okay, because you don't need too much of it. Now that is better, guys. Alright, so after that, then you would have to mix it up with aloe vera. That is gonna make this ingredient work so well, guys. Okay, so after then you're gonna be needing to use rice. Now how you're gonna get your rice powder is that you're going to grab some of your rice in your kitchen, and then you blend it into a powder form. There you have your rice powder, which is actually very important for the skin because it helps so much to remove dead skin cells, lighten up your skin. It contains a bleaching property that helps to tone up your skin and make your skin look super duper young. Okay, so half of a tablespoon is better for this, not too much, just that quantity is better. Now what we'll do now is that we will be mixing it up, and I would love to use my manual mixer. That way it would help mix this up really good for me. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna be needing to use my lemon essential oil. So you need a lemon essential oil, or you can actually use a tea tree oil or lavender oil. Anyone you grab, you can just make use of it. Now what you do is that you're gonna take just few drops, yeah. You can see I just put 2 drops of that. That is perfect. And then you're going to be needing vitamin E oil, or you can use vitamin E capsule, which is very important. Vitamin E capsule creates a glow on the skin. It makes your skin texture really beautiful. So I'm gonna be squeezing in some drops that will be equal to 1 capsule of vitamin E. And then after that, I'm going to be using my manual mixer to mix everything all up so that it will be really mixed and looking really good. Okay, this is better and it is very well mixed, and let's go apply this onto your face. Now if you're getting ready for your bridal look or for a party, you can use this to brighten up your skin, use this to make your skin look really even, and you're good to go. So let's go to the washroom to apply this. Hey people, so here it is. Now you want to go for an occasion where, like, you as a new bride, you want to look really beautiful, or even if you're not a bride, you want to look really glowing. You try this and it scents really good. Okay, now before you apply that, I always recommend you put in this treatment into a refrigerator, before applying it. So that's what I did. I put it inside a refrigerator and allow it to cool down a little, and then when you apply it onto your face, you're gonna be feeling the goodness of that. And your face is gonna be super duper smooth. Okay, so I actually didn't dab my face with water, but I recommend whenever you want to do this, you dab your face with water. Okay, that way the treatment will actually get into your face really good. Okay, and do not forget to scrub, because these natural remedies are very good when you also give it a scrub. It awake your skin, and it also helps to scrub out the dead skin cells, which is what we're targeting. Now when the dead skin cells are lift up from your face, it then leave your face really smooth, and it also makes your skin really glowing. Okay, so you have that bridal look, you have that bridal glow. Okay, so after you've done this, then you have to leave it on for a little while before you wash it. Now while I leave mine on, I'm going to be telling you how you're going to be using this. Okay, this ingredient is just like something that when you apply it and scrub it, it's going to start working like from 10 minutes. thereabouts. But of course, for you to see a huge result, you have to use it at most 5 days before your occasion begins, like before you want to go for your, for anything. You have to use it at most 5 days, okay, every day consecutively, like 5 days. But from the very first day you start using it, trust me guys, you're going to be seeing a huge result. And make sure you use it in a very generous, quantity. That way you're going to enjoy it, okay? So after that, you scrub it. Don't scrub it too hard so that your face is not going to be bruised. Yeah, just give it a gentle scrub, just play with it, and you are going to be loving your result. Like, trust me guys, you're going to be really loving it, okay? All right, so let me go wash this off and I'll be right back. So that's it guys, it's as simple as that, and it feels really good on my skin and I am loving it, okay, because it is very easy to put together and the ingredients are superb. Okay, so you can actually go try this out and you are gonna be loving it. Yeah, so that's it. I will see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and bye guys.